Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I wanted to share these Joydeco Blackout roller shades that I got from Amazon. So first of all, I really like how clean and modern they look. They give the room and the bathroom such a neat finish. The color I chose is beige and it blends perfectly with my walls. The installation was so easy. Everything came with the hardware and it didn't need any cords, which I love. The cordless features make it super simple. You just pull it down or push it up and it stays right where you want it. And the best part is that the blackout actually works. It really blocks the light, which is great for sleeping or keeping the room cool during the day. The material feels solid and well made, not cheap at all. So, overall, I'm really happy with these blinds. They look great, work perfectly, and they make the room feel cozier. I definitely recommend them if you're looking for blackout roller shades that look stylish and are easy to use. And that's just my point of view.